Welcome everyone. In the last video, we have seen how to fill in the basic details, that is under Quick Start, basic details of the company in company setup, all the state in which you have obtained the registration in list of GSTIN, item master, all your products and services. Under masters, in customers, we have seen how to fill in all your customers, vendor master, from those company from whom we purchase our products and services, bank master for making your payments and receiving receipts, and importing of your customer and vendor by a predefined template. Now we move on to transactions. It is a sale transaction. The voucher type shall be sales, the date on which the sale transaction is made, voucher number can be bill number, our location that is Delhi, the GSTIN of Delhi, the customer XYZ and associate who is located in Jammu and Kashmir, shipping address shall be the same, invoice type can be a regular invoice, SEZ export with or without payment of taxes, deemed export, and export with and without payment of GST. POS shall be Jammu and Kashmir because the customer that is located there. Supply type is an interstate transaction because we are located in Delhi, customer in Jammu and Kashmir. Supply category depending upon your product can be exempted, nil rated, non-GST or taxable. Here we have selected the following services: repairing services, the rate shall be automatically populated from your item master. Quantity, since it is an interstate transaction, IGST rate and amount is reflected. Fully automated is a 0% tax item, so tax is remaining 0. The total shall be reflected here, total amount, your taxes and total receivable. If required, the accounting entries can be seen. Similarly, all the transactions can be entered. If you want to print an invoice, we click on print invoice, where you can see the company's name, the address of the company logo, the GSTIN of the company and where we have located, that is Delhi, the invoice number, date, the place of supply, details of receiver, that is your customer, the name of your customer, his address, his GSTIN number. Details of consignee shall remain similar to the customer. In certain cases it may change. Here we provide the details of the goods or the items that we are selling, the quantity, rate, discount if any, and the tax amount. Here we provide the summary of the taxes and the amount that is charged, and the total amount is reflected. The amount in words is shown here, the bank details, the bank name and the account number, terms and condition if any can be included here, and the authorized signatory can be mentioned in this field. The invoice can be exported the following format: PDF, XLS, Excel, SX, and following other format as per your requirement. Similarly, we can make a credit note, debit note, advance receipt, or refund voucher. Now we move on to purchase transactions. The voucher type shall be purchase, the date, our location and the vendor's location. We mention the item that we are purchasing, the amount and the taxes, and the total summary shall be reflected here. As explained in sales, you can make credit note and debit note under purchase, advance payment under RCM, The purchase and sale transaction can be made by way of importing, which is done by way of the predefined template. Here we have come to the end of transaction. The next video we shall see how to upload the returns and file the same. Thank you.